Welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Ajala, and today we're diving deep into the world of melasma, which is a common yet often misunderstood skin condition characterized by brown or greenish-brown patches that predominantly appears on the face. This condition is not just a simple cosmetic issue. It can profoundly affect your self-esteem and confidence, particularly among those who are more sensitive to their appearance. Melasma can impact individuals of all ages and gender, but it is particularly prevalent among women, especially during pregnancy, hormonal changes, or when taking certain medications. In fact, studies suggest that approximately 1 in 10 women experience this condition at some point in their life, which highlights its significance and prevalence in the female population. It can also occur in men, although it's less common because of hormonal changes. Understanding the emotional toll that melasma can take is crucial. The frustration of dealing with unwanted pigmentation can lead to anxiety and low self-esteem, driving many to seek solutions, but sometimes not the best solutions. Today, we'll explore an innovative treatment option known as Lucente, which has been specifically designed to help manage and effectively reduce the appearance of melasma. It is unique in its kind and came from Italy. This advanced technology is making a significant wave in the skincare industry, providing renewed hope for many individuals dealing with this condition. So let's dive in and equip ourselves with this knowledge. To effectively combat melasma, it is essential to understand what it is and how it occurs. Melasma results from the overproduction of melanin, the pigment responsible for the color of our skin, hair, and eyes. There are different factors that can trigger the overproduction, but hormonal changes are among the most significant. Hormonal fluctuations, particularly during pregnancy, a condition often referred to as the mask of pregnancy, are key contributors to melasma. It can also be triggered by the use of oral contraceptive or hormone replacement therapy, which emphasize the connection between our hormones and our skin health. There are some other factors such as sun exposure, genetic, and certain medications that can play a vital role in the development of this type of condition. Research has shown that melasma is not merely a cosmetic concern. According to a review published in the Journal of American Academy of Dermatology, hormonal influences can lead to increased melanin production, while UV exposure can worsen existing pigmentation. This means that understanding how to protect your skin is critical in managing melasma effectively. Moreover, it is vital to recognize that melasma can be exacerbated by certain skincare products. Some harsh ingredients may irritate the skin and trigger overproduction of pigmentation. So, it is essential to approach skincare with care and consult a skincare provider that can do personalized recommendation after an evaluation. Let's talk about the signs of melasma. Identifying melasma early is crucial to achieving effective treatment results. Melasma typically manifests as asymmetrical patches on the face, often appearing on the cheeks, forehead, nose, and upper lip. The discoloration can vary in intensity and may worsen with sun exposure of course, hormonal changes. Here are some critical signs to be aware of when evaluating whether you might have melasma or not. Symmetrical patches. One of the hallmark characteristics of melasma is that it's often presented as symmetrical patches on both sides of the face. This is a distinctive feature that sets apart melasma from other skin conditions. The discoloration can range from light brown to dark brown or even grayish, depending on the individual factors such as skin type and sun exposure history. The contrast with surrounding skin can be quite pronounced, making it very noticeable. Worsening symptoms. Individuals often notice that melasma exacerbates during pregnancy while taking birth control pills or following prolonged sun exposure. If you find that your pigmentation intensifies during these times, it might be a sign of melasma. Some individuals may notice that the skin that is affected feels different, sometimes appears drier, or even more rough than other areas of your skin. Monitoring these changes can provide further insight into your skin health. Lastly, it is essential to acknowledge that beyond the physical signs, the emotional aspect of melasma can be significant. If you're feeling self-conscious about your skin, you're not alone. Many individuals share the exact same experience. This is why it is essential to approach treatment with a mindset that is going to be focused on improving not only your skin, but your overall confidence. Now, let's have a clear understanding of melanin melasma, and let's dive into a groundbreaking treatment option, which is Lucente. Lucente is a non-invasive treatment that is made to target the pigmentation issues like melasma and hyperpigmentation, while also stimulating collagen production, aiding in the restoration of an even skin tone. Clinical studies, including the one published in Laser Surgery of Medicine, have shown that Lucente can significantly reduce melasma pigmentation with minimal to none side effects. Patients have reported high satisfaction levels, attributing their success to the effectiveness of this type of treatment. Let's break down some of the noticeable benefits of Lucente treatment. Precision targeting. The Lucente mechanism of action can precisely target melanin deposits that are deep within the skin without causing any damage to the surrounding tissues. This precision is crucial for achieving optimal results and avoiding any unnecessary trauma to the skin. Minimal downtime. Unlike some other invasive procedures, patients undergoing Lucente often experience only mild redness for a few hours, no swelling at all. Most individuals can resume their normal activities almost immediately, making it a convenient option for those who have a busy lifestyle or those that just don't have the comprehensive, extensive recovery times. Lucente provides long-lasting results with proper aftercare, including diligent sun protection. The results of Lucente treatment can last for months and even years, this sustainably making an appealing option for those seeking long-term management of melasma, allowing patients to enjoy the results without frequent retreatments. It is completely important to understand that melasma has no cure. We need to get to what is the root of the cause of the melasma and then use a comprehensive approach, including Lucente and skincare products that are going to enhance your results and keep that pigmentation at base. Your medical provider may recommend a tailored skincare routine to optimize your outcomes, ensuring that you get most of your Lucente treatment. This multifaceted approach can be particularly effective for individuals with stubborn pigmentation. Let's talk about the safety profile of Lucente. This treatment, I'm just completely in love with it because it gives you results and it is non-invasive. This can provide a peace of mind for patients who might be hesitant to undergoing something as powerful as Lucente. One of the standout features of Lucente treatment is its ability to be customized for each patient needs, depending on your skin type, the severity of your melasma, and your overall treatment goals. Your medical provider can tailor the specific treatment of Lucente to give you the results that you are looking for. Some patients might need 3 treatments of Lucente, while others might need 4 treatments of Lucente. It is important that after your first treatment series, you retreat every 6 months to keep that pigmentation at base. If you are considering Lucente treatment, it is important to know what to expect during your treatment session. Here's a step-by-step guide to prepare you for this amazing experience. First, we need to have a consultation and an evaluation because it is important to understand what's really happening on your skin and how deep that pigmentation is. We're gonna take pictures of your face under a computer system that will let us know the depth of the pigmentation. This step is vital in determining whether Lucente is the right choice for you and what results can you realistically expect. Before the treatment, your skin will be gently cleansed to remove any excess makeup or impurities. A topical anesthetic will be applied to minimize discomfort during the procedure. While some patients report feeling a slight warmth during the treatment, most don't feel anything. Ensuring you're comfortable is my priority, as this can significantly impact your overall experience. After you're cleansed and properly numb, we will start with the Lucente treatment. These type of serums will be applied to a microneedling technique. The microneedling will allow the serum to go deep into the layers of the skin. It might take us about 30 minutes depending on the size of the area being treated. During this time, the microneedling Lucente will work to break down the excess melanin in the skin, promoting a more even complexion. After your treatment, you will receive a detailed aftercare instructions. This will include advice on sun protection, which is crucial for preventing melasma from returning, and the specific guidance on skincare to promote healing. Adhering to these instructions are essential to achieving the best possible results. Many skin providers and dermatologists will recommend a follow-up appointment to assess your progress and determine if additional treatments are necessary. This allows for personalized adjustment to your treatment plan, ensuring that you're on track to achieving the results that you're looking for. So in conclusion, if you're struggling with melasma, hyperpigmentation, sun damage, Lucente might be the treatment that gives you the results that you're looking for. Remember, melasma is manageable with the proper approach and the right treatment strategy and your professional guidance. The journey to clear skin, even tone skin, can be challenging, but with the right tools and support, it is absolutely achievable. If you found this video informative and empowering, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with anyone who might benefit from knowing this information. Together, we can help others achieve beautiful, even tone skin and foster a supportive community for those dealing with similar skin concerns. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more insights on skin health and wellness.